Desalinate seawater sustainably with Aquastill. Are you looking for safe water while you are located at the coast and use operating gensets for electricity? And are you looking to save energy costs and at the same time want to reduce your carbon emissions? We have the solution for you. Sustainable thermal desalination by Aquastill membrane distillation. The Aquastill system converts seawater into safe water using free genset waste heat. Here we see the beautiful island of Bonaire, where Buddy Dive Resort cooperates with Aquastill to lower their environmental footprint. Here, the Aquastill technology utilizes waste heat from gensets for seawater desalination, efficiently producing clean and safe water, which can be used for different applications. The Aquastill system is ideal for islands, remote coastal areas, and offshore applications. Seawater reverse osmosis is very energy intensive, but Aquastill membrane distillation thrives on waste heat, which makes that the system consumes approximately 0.5 kilowatt-hours per cubic meter distillate, cutting CO2 footprints by over 80%. MD can be used in combination with existing SWRO systems and also standalone to increase the water recovery, so more clean water can be produced from the same source. The system integrates seamlessly into existing desalination plants or operates as a standalone. We supply the connection from the gensets to the Aquastill system, so waste heat from the gensets will be led to the MD unit and cooling from the MD unit will be led to the gensets. Aquastill excels in sustainable thermal desalination and is the global technology leader in the field of membrane distillation. Our expert team ensures smooth system installation, commissioning, and staff training for continuous client support. Maintenance and operation is very easy to do yourself.
We focus on our customers and at the same time we lower our footprints.
So are you looking for safe water? Are you located at the coast and use operating gensets for electricity? And are you looking to save energy costs and want to reduce your carbon emissions? Sustainable thermal desalination by Aquastill membrane distillation is the solution for you.